This is Kanto Solutions, and today we're going to talk about TV mounts. Kanto offers tons of mounts for your various mounting needs. Got limited wall space? No worries, use a ceiling or corner TV mount instead. Want to view your TV in multiple rooms? Utilize a TV cart to transport your screen from room to room. But we often overlook some of the finer details of each mount that provide the seamless and quality experience that we at Kanto aim to provide. So today, I'm going to showcase 10 of these details and show you on which of our mounts you can find them, starting with the somewhat unique and ending with the downright quirky. Let's get started. Have you ever measured twice, drilled once, mounted your TV, and still found out it wasn't level? Thanks to our horizontal leveling feature, a crooked TV will never be an issue again. This feature allows slight adjustments to ensure your TV is level every time. Simply loosen these nuts, adjust your TV so it's level, and retighten. This horizontal leveling feature can be found on most of our mounts because we know the last thing you want to look at is an off-kilter TV. Most of our mounts have a tilt function that allows you to angle your TV forward or backward to give you the best and most comfortable viewing angle. Several mounts feature a Toolless Tilt design to make this process as easy as possible. Our M300 and FMX3 mounts come with a built-in lever-style handle, letting you loosen and tighten the tilt mechanism in a snap. It even has a ratchet system to keep the lever from interfering with the mount when pushing your TV against the wall. Our PMX series of mounts features a toolless knob and cam lever tilt mechanism that allows you to tilt your TV wherever you need without extra tools. A tangled mess of stringy cables hanging behind your TV? No thank you. The whole reason you bought a TV mount is to make your setup look better, not worse. That's why we've included these built-in metal cable management channels. Simply unscrew, swing out, place your cables in, and secure. It's as easy as that. These integrated cable management channels can be found on our PDC 650 corner mount and the PDX, PMX, and PS series of full motion mounts. Even though your mount is going to be behind your TV, we wanted to ensure that it looks good from any angle. That's why we included bolt covers with most of our mounts to cover up the installation leg bolts. But not all bolt covers are equal. Our PDX and PMX series bolt covers are magnetic, so they'll easily snap into place. No fumbling around trying to find the right spot, no tools, no fuss. And it sounds nice too. Ooh. You'd think that offering a mount that goes into your wall and reduces the profile of your TV to the bare minimum would be a cool feature in and of itself, but at number 6 on the list, we're firmly getting into quirky territory now. R300 and its bigger brother, the R500, have metal knockouts inside their mounting box so that you can run cables inside your wall. Just remove the panel with a pair of pliers, and you have an open space to put power cables, HDMI cables, audio cables, cables galore. This isn't just cable management, this is cable magicment. Did I seriously miss the opportunity to say this mount is a knockout? One of the most frustrating things about mounting a TV is that you're bound by where your studs are and may not be able to position your TV where you actually want it. Is there no solution to this confounding problem? We've got a solution. If you've picked out the perfect place for your TV and you can't afford to be off by even an inch, then you'll love the PMX series and its horizontal offset feature. Simply attach the wall plate into 2 studs closest to where you want your TV, and then secure the articulating arm anywhere within the wall plate, regardless of stud positioning. Never let the placement of your studs interfere with your home entertainment plans. A challenge that some customers face when mounting their TV is figuring out how the heck to assemble the mount. Smaller mounts typically have optional brackets to accommodate larger TVs, but the way they can attach can be confusing. Our PS series of mounts takes the guesswork out of this task by using matching symbols to show you exactly where to place the arms. Simply match the square with the square or the circle with the circle, and you're good to go. Easy. One of our most robust mounts is our CM600 ceiling TV mount. This mount allows you to hang your TV from the ceiling, and it's great when you're tight on wall space. You can see our installation video in the description below. One other trick that CM600 has up its sleeve is the ceiling plate that can swivel up to 90 degrees to allow for even more installation options. Slope ceilings or beams? No problem. It can even mount to a flat wall to allow the TV to hang downward. Perfect for spaces with large windows, but you still want to have your TV up off the ground. Talk about versatile. The runner-up to number one is a personal favorite of mine. You see, most TV mounts have one wall plate. You secure it to a flat, boring wall. Yawn. Well, PDC 650 is not content with that and has two wall plates so you can install it into two walls. This allows you to place it into an interior corner or an exterior corner, even a column, letting you mount your TV in ways you never thought possible. With that kind of flexibility, PDC 650 is like bringing a nunchuck to a mount fight. Don't you hate when you mount your TV on the wall and you've forgotten about your soundbar? Soundbars need some love too. That's why we offer the SB100 and SB200 soundbar mounts that allow you to attach your soundbar to a TV that you've mounted on the wall. Never miss another line of dialogue and keep your sound and visuals connected as one. Oh, and the cork? The SB100 doubles as tabletop hockey sticks. Fitting for a Canadian company like Kanto, eh? Kanto offers tons of mounting solutions for any situation you may have, and all these small details we've included result in a pain-free, professional-looking install for you. If you want to learn more about our mounts or to check out some of our audio products like speakers and stands, check out the other videos on our channel and subscribe to never miss another one. If you're ready to find the right mount for you, check out our website, kantomounts.com. I'm Jason from Kanto, and I'll see you in the next video.